Thokozani ndawuwe. Ninjani bogogo, ninjani bomkhulu, saniboneni everyone. Emakhosini ngiyabingelela. You know, bogogo nabomkhulu, this topic about Isithunywa ne. Like lento le young Tasha ngaphakathi, young I'm sorry. Young Tasha, and then the way thing don't need to young hlukubeta in such a way. You would see, I'm not happy. I am not happy. I am not happy. Why am I not happy? You know, Isithunywa sidinga ukuthi uzilele. Isithunywa sidinga ukuthi ufaste. Isithunywa sidinga ukuthi ususe magcuba. If there are people that did you wrong, bogogo nabomkhulu, you need to forgive them. You need to forgive them in order for lengelosi yakho ikhona ukuthi isebenze. You need to forgive those people. You need to humble yourself. You need to humble yourself. And then you need to trust the process. Yebo ngiyati ukuthini imali ayikho into yadura and what not. But trust the process. Bogogo yathini labantu abazala angeke banithengise tinto busy bafuna tinto titakelane nani, and then abavuleli tinto takho abakukhanyiseli. No. If kunguthi when you are busy buying things, doing this and that, but tinto atihlangani, trust me, there's something that you're doing wrong. Khona la uphambuke khona, or there are some certain things that you did not do, bogogo. Yabona na unesithunywa ne. Isithunywa sidinga ukuthi uyekele tinto letiningi bogogo. Sidinga ukuthi uyekele bangani. Sidinga ukuthi uphume ebanganini. Sidinga wena ukuthi uqine spiritually. And how do you mature spiritually? Kuyafastwa bogogo, kuyathandazwa day in day out. Lento leyo, it should become your lifestyle. Fanele ungabi just into lo yenda kona sekushubile. No. Isithunywa sidinga isikhathi sakho. Sidinga ukuthi utati ukuthi ungubani. Sidinga ukuthi nawe na uyenda tinto takho ungasayendi kufana nakuqala lekhathi usaphila lempilo yakho yakudzala leyo uphila ngathi like bophila ngathi yahlanya kahle kahle. No. Nyalo sidinga ukuthi wena ube serious empilweni yakho. Uyekele ma sleep overs. Hey ngisakulala kazibani bani. No. When you are an intercessor yavuka yathandaza ngo-12. So now lale khabo sibani bani. Ngibani lokuvukela lokuvumela ukuthi uvuke uthandaze ngabo ma-12 kumbe ngo-1 kumbe ngo-3. Ngibani lokuvumela ukuthi uthandaze ekhaya lakhe. Uyabathi ukuthi bayathandaza bona ngoba uve bathi bayathandaza. Uyathi ukuthi bayathandaza. So wena ufuna kuhamba yolala emakhaya lebantu ba disturb abantu ngeti khathi sawo wafuna kuphapha wena ufuna kuvuka uthandaze emakhaya like ekhaya lebantu. Babogogo nabomkhulu, no ways. Letinye izinto fanele ukhule man, fanele ukhule. Besides ngeminyaka, you need to grow spiritually. Fanele ube matured bogogo nabomkhulu. Tinto letisodwa ifuna ukuthi utisuse etintweni. Tifuna ukuthi utisuse etintweni ebanganini nje. If uyakuthi lento le it does not build you, phuma. Isithunywa sifuna ukuthi uhloniphe, ufocus etuke tinto takho tokuphilisa abantu. What are those things? Fanele ulayithe amakhandlela. Kumbe fanele ulayithe ikhandlela lakho lelimhlophe. Ngo 6 ekseni. ngo-9 ekuseni, ngo-12, ngo-3, ngo-6, depending ukuthi sona sifuna kusebenza kanjani. But now you need to grow yourself. Fanele utitshele ukuthi atikuthini, this is the thing that I'm doing. Lendo lengibidele kuyo lo msebenzi wakho, whether you like it or not, msebenzi wakho. Fanele uyibuke so abakho nabomkhulu labanye ngani bahamba bo-7 fanele uthi you have a friend that works at Shoprite or at Spar or wherever supermarket, I don't know, whatever supermarket it may be. Usana eSpar yini lo msebenzi wakhe, uvukele kuseni ngo-5 uvukile, 5:30 ucedzile kugeza, 6 uphumile sosemsebentini. So now with this calling, now this ngelo, so you need to be serious. Fanele uthathe ukuthi akuse isikhathi leso yaguqa kuyathandazwa strong kuyamemeto whatever. Uyathi kuthi twice a week uyemfuleni uyothandaza cela ngingasemfuleni, nabathi nabakutshelile ukuthi okay wena fanele ungene emfuleni, kuyangena emfuleni. La ukuthi sikufuna emadwaleni fanele uye emadwaleni, nawuthi kufuna ehlathini fanele uye ehlathini. Uyathi ukuthi in a week or first week singene emandini, second week kuyiwe endzabeni. Like those things fanele kuwe ma-rituals akho, kuyathandazwa ikhathi takho uyadada nje. Nawuhleli nakushaya lesikhathi awusabuki nesikhathi, awusasethi nema-alarm, nawuhleli kuyavuka kuthi thandaza kuthi sebenza. So lento iba sengadini nale ngelosi yakho iyadi like ihlala i-active kuthi okay nyalo sesikhathi sokusebenza. So nawungadiyen letinto leti iyalala nayo, iyakhubeka la ngaphakathi. That's why nawuthandaza iyakhala because you're not doing the right things. Noma seyifuna convey i-message kuwe, you're not doing the right things. Awuva next. Why are the things that uyendani nawulele sikhuluma nawe sikutshela ukuthi okay kuna 1 2 3 4 5 vuka uthandaza. And most of the time yabona Isithunywa ne siyakhuluma and siyakutshela futhi ukuthi yathini wena ungumthandazi, mthandazi lo so uyenda sona so. So stop lying to yourselves, man. Ish. Hi. Stop in the sikhulume. Makhosi.